Hi children, how are you all? I hope all you are fine. Children, in that previous video what we discussed worksheet 5 questions, right? Worksheet 5 that is related to inserting rational numbers in between any two rational numbers. Now here in this video we are going to discuss about that worksheet 5a. This is related to decimals. Okay, how to add that decimals. Okay, now here see that sum the following. Here what are the given decimal numbers? 6.90, 13.56, 0.054. Actually see that here three different decimals they given, no? Three decimals also here, like decimals or unlike decimals unlike decimals only. Why? Because here first these two are like decimals and coming to that 6.90 and 0.054 are unlike decimals, and in the same way 13.56 and 0.054 are unlike decimals. Why? Because number of decimal places are differ. Okay, that's why to make that given decimals are like decimals, just to make that one as like decimals. Okay, to keep that 0. Now here see that addition, no? 0 plus 0 plus 4, which is equals to 4, 6 plus 5 is equals to 11, 9 plus 1 is equal to 10, 10 plus 5, 15, next 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 0, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 2, 1 plus 1, 2, and here point is there, no? Keep that point. Then finally what is that answer here? Answer is 20.514. Okay, decimal places always read indivisible only. Okay, 20.514. See here 20.514. Which option Option 1 is correct. Okay, yes. Option 2, see here. What is that? 81.84 plus 118.16. Just you have to add. Okay, now here in reverse also we can write, no? A plus B is equal to B plus A. Then here 118.16, 81.84. Just you have to take the addition of those two decimals. Now how much you will get? 6 plus 4, 10. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Next point. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Again 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 1 plus 1, 2. How much you got here? 200. Okay, 200.00 means that one consider it as 200. Okay, now 200 divided by 50 is equal to 1.2 into 2 plus how much they are asking. This is the given question, right? 200 divided by 50, which is equal to 1.2, we can be written this one as 12 by 10 into 2 plus some number. Which number you will get? Understood, ma? Now here 51s, 54s, 200. 54s, 200. 4 is equal to, here cancellations there, no? 2 5s, 2 1s, 2 5s. Okay. Now here 12 by 5 plus that question mark, which number you will get here. Understood? And here what is that answer, ma? Here we are having that value as 4. 4 is equal to 12 by 5 plus dash. Okay, that value we need to find out. Now here see that we can take that, let question mark is equal to some x. I will tell you about that x in that simple equations, ma. Okay. Now here 4 is equal to 12 by 5 plus x. Okay, how to find that x value here? We know that if you subtract the subtrahend or addends, there no two addends. If you subtract one addend from the result, then you will get the second addend. Okay, this is addition only, no ma. In that addition, which numbers we are adding, those numbers we will call them as addends. Okay, so here what they are asking, the sum of two addends is equal to 4 they are saying. Okay, one of the addend is 12 by 5. What is another number here? To find that another number, we can subtract the one of the number, which number they given, that number from resultant. Then you will get that answer. Okay, now x is equal to 4 minus 12 by 5. Okay. Now here see that x is equal to, how to take the difference? 5 into 4 minus 12 by 5. X is equal to 5 fours 20 minus 12 by 5. 20 minus 12, 8 by 5. Okay. Then what is that answer, ma? 8 by 5. 8 by 5 means it's a decimal value. 8 divisible by 5. 5 ones 5. Okay. And here 3. 0.0. 5, 6, 30. 0. Finally, what is that quotient, ma, here? 1.6. Where we are having that option? Yes, here it is option 3. 1.6. Understood? Yes. Let us see that next third question. Yes, see that wherever question mark they given, just you can consider it as some letters. Okay. I want to write this one as x cube into 10, which is equals to 13230 divided by, again, 9.261 divided by 7. So first inside of the brackets which numbers are there, first you have to simplify that, right? Now here see that x cube into 10, which is equals to 13230 divided by 9261 by, actually here by 10, right? 123, which means by 1000. Understood, ma? By 1000 divided by 7. Divided by 7. Now here x cube into 10 is equals to 13,230 divided by, here 9261 by 1000 into by 7, no? Its reciprocal is 1 by 7. And the division becomes as multiplication. Already I told you, no, at the time of division of decimals, and in the same way multiplication of decimals. At the two cases also we discussed about that denominators, its reciprocals. Okay. Now cancellations, ma. 9,261 divisible by 7. 7 1s 7, 22, 7 3s 21, 1 and 16, 7 2s 14, and 2 and 1. 7 3s 21. 0. Finally, what is that answer, ma? 7 ones, and here is 7, 1323. Okay. Yes. Now here x cube into 10, which is equals to 13,230 divided by 1323 by 1000 is there, no? Okay. It's a reciprocal, you will get 1323 by 1000. Understood, ma? Now here x cube into 10, which is equals to 13,230 into 1000 by 1323. Okay. Now here 1323 ones, 1323 tens. Clear? Yes. Now here see that x cube into 10, which is equals to, here 10 into 1000. 10 into 1000. Don't take that any cancellations, just see that here x cube into 10 is equal to 10 into 1000, we can write it as, okay, 10 into 10 into 10. Understood, ma? 10 tens 100, 100 tens 1000, 10 cube. Okay, or else you can directly write it as 10 cube also. Now 10 and 10 gets cancelled. Now here x cube is equal to 10 cube. As the powers are equal, now here as the bases are equal. Why? Because is equal to before and after you should have that same value. Then only you can keep that is equal to sign. Okay. Now here finally x is equal to how much, ma? Here x is equal to 10. Understood? Which option is correct here? X is equal to 10. Option 1 is correct. Okay, ma? Children, next see that fourth question, ma, here. What is that? 1132.757 minus 2315.996 minus 1753.829 plus 2 into 2846.639. Okay. Now here see that 2 into this number we can write it as 2846.639 into 2. 2 nines 18, 2 3 6 plus 1 7, 2 6 12, again 2 6 12 plus 1 13, 2 4s 8 plus 1 9, 2 8s 16, 2 2s 4 plus 1 5, 5 6 9 3 2 7 8. And here point after how many digits there ma? 3 digits. Then here 3 digits before you have to keep the point. Okay. Then here 2 into 2846.639 in 639, which is equals to here 5693.278. Understood? Now here see that to this number just you have to simplify it. Now here these two numbers are having that same sign, no? Same sign is there, means first you have to add those two numbers. Okay. Now what we have to add here? 2315.996 plus 1753.829. Just add those two numbers ma. Why? Because those two also having that negative sign, no? That's why minus minus. That's why you have to do that addition here. Understood? Now here 9 plus 6, which is equals to 15. 9 plus 1 10 plus 2 12. 10 plus 8 18. Point. 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 3 9. 1 plus 5 6. 7 plus 3 10. 2 plus 1 4 plus 1 4, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4. Okay. Then here you have to keep that negative sign. Understood ma? Then what you got here? Minus 4069.825. Okay. From this one, just you have to take that 1132.757 and here minus 4069.825. Just you have to take the difference of these two numbers ma. Okay. Now here 4069.825 is greater than this number, no? That's why first you have to write that number. Next you have to write the second number. Next take the difference. Okay. 5 minus 7 is not possible. 15 minus 7, which is equals to 8. And here this is 1, no? And here 1 minus 5 is not possible, no? That's why take that 1. Then here 11 minus 5, which is equal to 6. And here this is 7 minus 7 is 0. And here 9 minus 2 is 7. 6 minus 3 is 3. 0 minus 1 is not possible, no? 10 minus 1 is 9. And here 3 minus 1 is 2. 2937.068. Okay. Next here see that 2937.068. That is positive or negative ma here? Here this value is positive or negative? See here, the greatest number is having that negative sign and the smallest number is having that positive sign. Then which sign you have to keep here? Negative sign only you have to keep. Okay. Then here minus 2937.068 plus what is that number you got here? 693.278. Again those two numbers are having that positive sign and negative sign, two different signs there, no? That's why you have to go for that subtraction. And finally 5693.278 minus 2937.068. Okay ma, just you have to take the difference. 8 minus 8 is 0, 7 minus 6 is 1, 2 minus 0 is 2, point. Here 13 minus 7, which is equal to 6, and here this is 8 minus 3, which is equal to 5, and here 6 minus 9 not possible, no? 16 minus 9, which is equals to here 7, and 4 minus 2, which is equals to 2. 2756.210. Finally, what is that answer ma? 2756.210. Positive or negative? Positive only. Why? Because positive value is having that greatest value, no? Greatest value is having that positive sign. That's why here answer is also positive. Then here what is that answer ma? 2756.21. Actually here decimals not given, no? So it's the nearest number we can take. 2756. 0.56. Why? Because 0 after 2 1 means less than 5 only, no? Then here the number round off to 2756. Then the answer is 2756. Okay children, let us see that next question here. The fifth one say that find the value of 1.6 minus 0.9 minus 0.7. Okay, see that these two numbers are having that same sign. Which two numbers are having the same sign, either that is positive or negative? First you have to add those two numbers. Okay, now 0.9 plus 0.7. How much you will get, ma? 9, 10, 16, 1. 1.6. Now here 1.6 minus, just adding these two, we got that again 1.6. 1.6 minus 1.6, you will get it as 0. Understood? What is that answer? Answer 0. Understood? Yes. Next, sixth one, see that what should come in place of question mark in the following question? 0.36, of is nothing but multiplication. 52.5 plus nothing is given means let it be some x, which is equal to 20.11. 20.11. Okay, just take the product of these two numbers, ma. 36 by 100 into 525 by 10. Okay, don't do that any cancellations, just directly take the product. 525 into 36. First 6 5 is 30, 6 2 is 12 plus 3 15, 6 5 is 30 plus 1 31. Next 3 5 is 15, 3 2 6 plus 1 7, 3 5 is 15. 0, 10, 7 8 9, 8 1. 18,900 plus x is equal to 20.11. 36 into 525, which is equals to 18900 by 100 into 10 plus x is equal to 20.11. 20.11. Now here two zeros gets cancelled. Understood, ma? Now from this one, 189 by 10. 189 by 10 plus x is equal to 189 by 10 plus x is equal to 20.11. 20.11. How to convert that fraction into decimal here? In the denominator we are having only 1 0, that is 10, right? Then we can write it as 18.9 plus x is equal to 20.11. This is also same only, no, ma? The sum of two numbers is equal to 20.11. One of the number is 18.9. By using that subtraction method, here x is equal to 20.11 minus 18.9. Then you will get that answer. X is equal to 20.11 minus 18.9. 18.9. How to take the difference? 11 minus 9, which is equals to here. How much you will get, ma? 11 minus 9. Simply here you can take that 20.11. 20.11. Just by taking that 18.90. 1 minus 0 is 1. And here this is 11 minus 9. 11 minus 9, which is equals to here. This is 9 and here 1. Understood, ma? Now here 11 minus 9 is 2. 19 minus 18. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. And in the same way here 1 minus 1 is 0 only, no? Finally here the answer is 1.21. 1.21. Option is there or not? See here, yes, 1.21. Option 2 is correct here. Understood? And finally we are having that the last question. The value of 1.23 minus 0.86 plus 0.29. These two numbers are having that same sign, no? So just add those two numbers. 1.23 plus 0.29. 9 plus 3, which is equals to 12. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5. 0.1 plus 0 is 1. 1.52 minus 0.86. 0.86. Now here 1.52 minus 0.86. 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. 4 minus 8 is not possible. No, that's why here this is 0 and this is 14. 14 minus 8 is equal to 6. Point 0 minus 0 is 0. Finally, what is that answer, ma? 0.66. That is positive or negative? Positive only. Why? Because the greatest number is 1.52. That is having positive sign. That's why answer is also positive 0.66. Where you are having that answer, ma? Here that is 0.66. Understood? So children, up to here worksheet 5A also completed, and in the same way up to here fraction second concept also completed. In that next video we will discuss about that the third topic, that is simple equations. Okay ma, thank you all.